Walmart can cancel an order even after you receive an order confirmation because the order still has to pass availability, payment, and fulfillment checks before it is completed. By the end, you'll know the main reasons Walmart cancels orders and the steps you can take to reduce the chances of it happening again. The most common reason is that the item becomes unavailable during processing. A product can appear in stock when you place the order, but the store or fulfillment center may not have enough inventory when Walmart tries to prepare it. If your order keeps getting canceled, check whether the item is sold and shipped by Walmart or by a marketplace seller. Marketplace orders follow the seller's inventory and fulfillment process, so issues can happen outside Walmart's own system. Another common cause is a payment verification problem. Walmart may cancel an order if the payment method cannot be authorized, or if additional verification is needed. Check that your card details, billing address, and payment information match your bank records. You should also review your Walmart account for outdated information. An old address, expired payment method, or account security issue can prevent an order from moving forward. If the same product keeps getting canceled, try ordering from a different seller, choosing a different store location, or selecting another delivery option if available. These changes can help when the problem is related to inventory or fulfillment. For orders that are canceled after you are charged, check your bank account or payment app. Many payment issues appear as temporary authorizations rather than completed charges, and the status depends on your bank's processing time. If you still cannot figure out why Walmart canceled the order, contact Walmart customer support with your order number. Ask for the specific cancellation reason instead of placing the same order repeatedly, because the same issue may happen again. To prevent future cancellations, keep your payment information updated, confirm your delivery address before checkout, and check seller details before buying marketplace items. The key points are simple. Canceled orders usually come from inventory problems, payment verification issues, or fulfillment problems. The fastest fix is to check your order details, update anything incorrect, and contact Walmart if the cancellation reason is unclear. Try these steps on your next canceled order, and subscribe for more practical fixes to common shopping problems.